the media also had asked me. And maybe I'll talk to him and sort out. It's an app launched by the transport department only. I think they have put it. So to Goa miles also mock kidak and what mock kidak and also maka ek type another media nikalne. So Goa miles is an aggregator which is there for as a corporate business, which is standard with GTDC. Goa Taxi is an app developed by us for the people. So taxi karancho app. So it is an aggregator for people to come and onboard in their own self. Some people in taxi association and they came up with many concerns. Meter aile vele, kide gale, issues related to transport. So I don't think we should get into that particular part. I think we should go forward. And while going forward, along with the Chief Minister and the Transport Minister, we have been very clear that aggregators are required for smoothening tourism. And they code bane, code white, Panchabiksha, it is one government. We will sort out and clear any doubts if there are any of the Transport Minister. My intent is to promote tourism, regulate things which are required, and if there are concerns of the taxi operators which are not onboarding on an aggregator, the first time I think we have had meetings with the stakeholders, taxi operators also, explain to them that I can't do anything. Because they don't want the system to operate, certain of them. He was not there for the whole meeting, but he suddenly came out and gave something to the press. Let us talk to people who want to improvise and be a part of as stakeholders and who want to participate and improve tourism. We are with them. And to Goa Taxi launch zalo, we will start onboarding and moving things. Ataparent Goa Taxi is just operating at MOPA in a queue system. Ekda tea starts as an aggregator. I think a lot of things will get smoothened out. As far as the Transport Minister and the Chief Minister is concerned, we will have a sitting together and sort out issues in terms of aggregator. Marvin also is a very pro person in terms of thinking alike. So I think samaj koi doubt apprehension dasa. Now they also sort out.
But why is saying it is not feasible then? Marvin itself says no.
Sir, we will sort it out with the Chief Minister and the.
Sir, openly बाहेर उलयता ते. तुमचा ओन मिनिस्टर ओपनली उलयता.
Freedom of speech is given to everybody.
Minister.
I am here interested in solving issues and having aggregators placed lightly. So Marvin is a very senior leader. I mean, very junior. And ताज्या खातीर Marvin बाबाकडे उलोवन मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे उलोवन तुम्ही सांगा.
Coming to the Appleton, what is
Goa Taxi is almost there. I think the date will come out and it will get launched. When it gets launched, automatically things will move in a manner where, see, as a government, the Chief Minister, the Transport Minister and myself sat together and came with Goa Taxi. So it is not that it is something which suddenly came up. And it is an app where there is no profit for anybody but to the taxi association which have to come together and run this app. Or taxi वाल्यांचो app. तांकां चलोवंक दिता आमी आनी तुमीच चलया म्हणटा. So तातूंत तांचे views आमी घेतले. The people we have had a discussion with the taxi associations. I thank them for having come and met and discussed their issues. Certain concerns, yellow, black, if we need to improvise, we are ready to improvise. And aggregator launch zalo, every time the aggregator they there will be learnings, there will be scope of improvement on the app from your side and from our side. We will keep improvising to ensure that at the end of the day, tourist gets a good experience. And aggregator jo kaam karun sokta, it is not only for tourists, it is also for the local person. तो बिझनेसमॅन असो, तुझ्या घरातली बायल असो, ही मार्केटात असू शकता, नाल्या इंडस्ट्रीचो कोण मनीस असो, जो एअरपोर्टार असू शकता, जो आज बिकॉज ऑफ पार्किंग इश्यूज और अदर इश्यूज इज रेडी टू मूव विथ द एग्रीगेटर. लेट अस वेलकम एंड क्रिएट दिस इकोसिस्टम. सो देर आर सम पीपल इन द एसोसिएशन that they who also said आम्ही 3 वरां ते सगळे दीस कशें काम करपाचें काम. ताका तेच सांगला परत तुम्ही ऍप स्विच ऑफ करा आनी कितें सांगतलो.
the baby of tourism department under the baby he can't adopt means Goa. It is not possible.
Goa tourism can adopt if required the government app also. That we are in discussion right now. So question is of adopting and Goa Miles also is our thing only. Goa Miles people taxi wale कित्याक join जायना. ते म्हणतात ते काळे सूट धवे सूट करून ते ब्लेम करता की somebody else is milking us at our cost म्हणून. And we are not ready to join Goa Miles. This is their apprehension and this is the way they have told me. To clear their doubts, we came with this Goa taxi. And I think Marvin and the Chief Minister is a part of this meeting to where this particular app was developed. Now this app development cost पडायला लागला आणि तो काढून आम्ही तुमका टॅक्सीवाल्या भावामध्ये तातूंत चलयात तातूंतल्या त्या जोडीचे ₹1 तुमचो कट जायना गोवा मायल्स 10% काडटा 20% काडटा आम्ही कमी मेळटात ते आशिल्ले हांगा आमी म्हणटा तुम्ही जोडा पण रेग्युलेटेड जोडा सो काम करपी आसता जोडटलो काम करचो ना ताका हांव कांयच म्हणूंक शकना बट इफ देर आर थिंग्स which still come as doubts we will clear it.
Sir, you don't think the Goa Miles, the rates are in Goa at taxi, the rate are totally different, higher. So how?
We have to first understand परत तेच सांगता लास्ट टाइम सांगता तुम्ही प्रेस आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया यूज करतले इट इज अप टू यू वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर हियर एज अ गव्हर्नमेंट दॅट वी नीड टू रेग्युलेट सर्विसेस गोवा मायल्स ए रेट कितें दिता इज अ प्रायव्हेट ऑपरेटर तो मायनसान सुद्धा घालता का 500 गाडी घालता का कितें करता इट इज अप टू हिम end of the day he has to pay a certain percentage to Goa Tourism Development Corporation being an entity and he has to run his business model. This is the arrangement with Goa Tourism Development Corporation. As an aggregator of Goa Taxi, he is operating as the Director of Transport Notified Rates. जी रेट Director of Transport notify केल्या त्या रेटीचे तो Goa Taxi operate करता. ताज्या खातीर that gives the comfort line for the taxi guys to get onboarded. Goa Miles today is not getting the numbers because they feel that it's a private business, so private taxi fellows are not operating. आणि ताज्या खातीरूच ही गोवा टॅक्सीची कल्पना आयली की समज तांकां समज त्रास जाता आणि तांकां एग्रीगेटर हाडपा जाय जाल्यार वी विल गिव देम एग्रीगेटर वी स्पोक टू द इंडस्ट्री वी स्पोक टू द hoteliers we spoke to the taxi fellows the hoteliers and the industry also was giving a welcome step to this. It is not a question of the rate, it's a director of notified, the transport notified rate. It is not going above that. Allegations are you are overcharging. So we are, is director of transport rate overcharging? तीच रेट ॲडॉप्ट केले आता तातूंतल्यान कोण अंडरकट करून समज करता इट्स हिज बिझनेस मॉडेल टू रन सो वी आय कॅनॉट कमेंट ऑन दॅट बट वी नीड एग्रीगेटर्स अँड एग्रीगेटर्स नीड टू रन द बिझनेस दिस इज वॉट आय सेइंग एग्रीगेटर वॉज अ एग्रीगेटर आसा तो गोवा टॅक्सी तो रिपीट करता कित्याक थोड्यांक ते असंतुष्ट जे इल्ले टॅक्सीवाले आसा जे काम करूंक सोदना ते मलाई कितें म्हणटात तांकां सांगूंक शकता वा तांचो ॲप तांणी चलोवपाचो सो ते दिशाभूल करपाक जाय आनी बंद करपाक जाय आनी काम करपाक जाय काम करपाचें ना जाल्यार अशेंच नांव वाडना
Then why the taxi people are not joining this app?
See, this is what I'm saying. Electronic media and press should be good enough to sensitize this rather than making news is who is joining, who is not joining. So let us work together to ensure that everybody joins. I look forward to your support also to give them the message and make them join the app to run their own app in their own way.
Okay.